All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin to staking the coin to using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. We've been talking a little bit about the Drip Network. That's an opportunity we're going to be talking about in the next few days, and also talking about power nodes. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're talking about Saitama Inu. Yep, Saitama Inu. It's down right now. This could be a good discount buy. The numbers are going to be right where you kind of want it to be. Going to go to the website, check it out. We got an article about it. And then also, a 24-year-old girl lost her job as a waitress, and now she's making $8,600 a month, working 2 to 3 hours a day on TikTok. So we're going to actually bring that up at the end as another article. The person's making passive income on TikToks, pretty good stuff. We're always talking about making money, opportunities and making money. This person lost her job and she's making $8,600 a month doing TikTok. So we're going to talk about that. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. We're going to check out some different opportunities with the Drip Network and power nodes and what's it called, strong nodes. We got all kinds of stuff coming up in the future we're going to be talking about. So with that, all right, let's go ahead and head over to Saitama Inu. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Saitama Inu is at $28.71 on the CoinMarketCap. Here's the discount buy I was talking about. Look at that, everybody. It's down 20% in the last 7 days. So if you like this token, if you've been tracking this token, you could load up really good. 20% down in the last 7 days. All right, let's go ahead and click it. In the last 24 hours, it's only down 2.5%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 36.59. So we'll come back with the price prediction. In the last 7 days, this token was way up here, and it's been marching down. It did a little bounce back up, and then as you can see, it bounced back up, and it's been marching back down and stuff like that. So down 20% in the last 7 days. Let's check out the holders of Saitama Inu. 3 months. This is a good indication of how people are liking the coin. So 3 months ago, 90 days, 96,000 holders. Today, 316,000. If you just make that 96 100 and a 3 to 3, it's increased over 200,000 holders in the last 90 days. That's pretty impressive, everybody. Very, very impressive. 200,000 holders increase. Over here at its website, Fostering the Future of Finance. Welcome to Saitama Inu, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages and cultures to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. The Saitama Inu token is a medium, and it was built on the Ethereum blockchain, ERC20, the smart code that makes a safe investment benefit to hold. So this right here.
Welcome to Saitama Inu. We are a global community of committed individuals, building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes. But we share the same dream. We believe in a world bound together by human connection, and we foster this vision by building financial tools and a content publishing ecosystem that will make financial well-being accessible to people of different cultures, ages, and economic status. Start seeing returns today by investing in tomorrow. Join us at Saitama Inu.
All right, right on the website, Saitama Inu, to educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. Although digital currency has been around for over a decade, we are still at an early stage of revolutionizing the recognizing of our society, redistribution of wealth, and giving anyone the chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join. So they're saying that the bulk of people that are going to get into crypto, they're not even in yet. But for the global decentralized finance to become reality, that we will need not only to overcome technology hurdles, but in simple, we'll need to understand how money works. This is where Saitama Inu comes in, providing tools and content that makes people comfortable with the money they invest, open unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. So, nice mission, Saitama Inu. The Saitama token, our token has a fair launch on Ethereum ERC20 network. It launched on the 31st of May. So it's not quite a year old. I'm coming up on May in like 3-4 months. It's a medium for transactions and systems of its own, a smart coding and benefit loyal holders with rewards and protection from whales. So here's the big thing. Number one, passive income. 2% of every transaction with Saitama is deducted and redistributed to our pool of holders. It means that just by holding it, you will see your numbers of tokens increase automatically every day as the community transacts. Right on the website, everybody. Second, deflationary currency. In addition, 2% of the amount of all transaction is taken out of circulation, meaning that our token supply is consistently shrinking and making your Saitama Inu increase in value over time. We have already started with 49% of the supply burned. This is the most important. Anti-whale trap. Everyone is expected to make a profit, but we want the profit to be for everyone. Saitama is coding in a way that prevents big wallet holders, whales, from trying to manipulate the price in the favor or dumping the token by selling it. So pretty good thing right there. So what are your thoughts on Saitama Inu? Do you like it? Do you own it? Are you holding any of it? Pretty important, at least put it on your radar, because it is, well, it's down right this second, but about 2 weeks ago, it was on a nice little uptick. So, again, we know cryptocurrency is like this, 20% down. I mean, come on, everybody. If you like this token, this is a discount buy, or buying the dip, as El Salvador would like to say. All right, 24-year-old lost her waitressing job, and now she's working 2 to 3 hours a day, making $8,600 a month. Let's check this out. We'll come back to Saitama Inu with the price prediction and go over to their website. All right, this 24-year-old lost her waitressing job. Now she makes $8,600 per month in passive income. I work just 2 hours a day. So she looks pretty happy there. She says, when the pandemic hit, I lost both my waitressing and my personal training job. I decided to take a loss as a sign to build an online fitness business as I have always dreamed of. I sold 90-day fitness programs, which included custom workouts, meal plans, along with weekly coaching sessions via Zoom. I made about $1,000 to $2,000 a month and supplemented my income, and started saving for and got the COVID stimulus check. But she says she ended up working 10 hours a day, getting burned out. So after a year of trying, I decided to part my ways with the fitness business and find another way to make money. For months, she's seen affiliate marketers, people who get paid commission by online retailers for website traffic on sales, on the TikTok feed. She was skeptic at first, but had nothing to lose. I took an online class that convinced me that affiliate marketing could be a worthwhile business model, so she went all in. In July of 2021, so not even a year, she used her TikTok and Instagram account to market affiliate programs. She began posting multiple times a day, giving tips on how to start side hustles, earn passive income, and grow your presence online. All the while, I was promoting business and wealth business tools and programs. By October, I had amassed 43,000 followers on TikTok, my largest platform. So she said 43,000 people. Since then, she made an average of $8,600 per month in passive income. Let me blow that up. So if you're looking to make money, buying cryptocurrency projects, all those good things. TikTok's a cousin of the cryptocurrency. It's kind of a new thing. This lady is making $8,600 per month in passive income, aka commissions off of affiliate posts, including posts that are several months old and posts that should recruit subscribers. If I told you a year ago that I could be doing what I love, creating helpful content from my phone and just work 2 hours a day, I would have laughed. I now have financial freedom, and I've always wanted. At 24 years old, I was able to move into a beautiful apartment in New York City. I get to travel frequently, and my life no longer revolves around work. So pretty good stuff here, everybody. Another way to make passive income. It's not in the crypto arena, but it's the cousin of it, TikTok. I see TikTok all the time, so just wanted to bring that to you. All right. So everybody, when you look at your TikTok today, think about those affiliate programs that people are making money on. All right, let's go back over to Saitama Inu, do a little price prediction, and dig into their website a little bit. All right, back over at the website right here. The Santa mask is here. This is kind of nice. They got this going. It's a one-shop for DeFi. Use bank cards to purchase tokens, buy and sell goods and services using crypto, learn and improve financial skills, create and trade NFTs. So you can do everything from your phone with the Santa mask. You just got to download it and get started. New investors normally have to go through several steps, especially when buying new coins. They are not yet listed in exchanges. They often feel discouraged from starting the decentralized finance, DeFi, and eventually forces them to turn to centralized operations, CEFIs, where they are more limited and subject to private interest and higher taxes. The SATA basically solves that problem, makes it easy for everybody. Now you can read the white paper. In the white paper, they have it in about 5 different languages, so you can check that out. All right, back over here, coin market cap. So again, this coin is down 20%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 36, 2. My price prediction is going to be 7 zeros, and it's going to go back up to 500. There is 20% down right now, so you can go bounce right back up to where it was. All our information is for educational purposes only. And again, 2871 Saitama Inu right here. Go and check it out. Take a look right below it. Number 2872, Elk Finance, up 113% in the last 24 hours. And Elk Finance is up 48% in the last 24 hours. All right, everybody, so bringing this to you. Saitama Inu, very good cryptocurrency, down 20% right now. Check it out. People are making money on TikTok. You know, you can, the other day we did a thing of the different things you can get into. They said to start a YouTube channel. Now you got TikTok, buy cryptocurrency, do different projects, all kinds of good stuff. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every single day at noon. Bonus videos are either at 5 o'clock or 8 o'clock, and on the weekends, it's around 3 or 4. Click right here to see our most recent video, and we will see you a little later on today.